So you are going to come back and turn it around. When we bring stability, secure the place, ensure that we entrench rule of law and order, you come back. So it's a gain for us.
Right.
You know, it might be a loss now because you've seen the better. So dealing with the issue of terrorism, what I said, when we deal with security, we will deal with it aggressively. I might not tell you, disclose exactly what we're going to do.
Of course.
But some of the measures we're going to do is that we're going to increase the manpower within our security agencies, equip them properly.
Right.
You know, support them with the political will to deal with the issues decisively. Have a multi-sectoral policing where we have police at the center, policing at the state, possibly at the local government, and even in the communities where we have security. Deal with it aggressively. Right. It's not, like I said, it's been done everywhere, and we can do it.
NoireTV, showing on Verizon Fios channel 269, Optimum channel 1100, and on Digicel. Or on our website www.noiretv.com, or download the app from the App Store or Play Store.